Hello. Today I'm gonna do this Codeforces problem. It's from the TLA eliminator sheet. I kind of did all of them. I only have these four left, so I'm gonna do them then go for the 900 digit exam problems. I did some 1000, 1200, 300 problems, but I want to use this sheet so I can track my progress. So in this problem, we are given an array of numbers, and we have to make it good by multiplying adjacent elements. A good array means an array that's an array which all adjacent elements are different parities, so odd, even, yeah. So okay. My first thought is when we have a sequence of elements of the same parity. For example, here we have three elements, so the first operation is multiplying 7 and 1, then it's gonna be 7 and 11, and then multiplying 7 and 11, so 77. So it gives us one odd number, and that's two operations, so n minus 3, so 3 minus n minus 1, so 3 minus 1, say it's two elements, two operations. That's, yeah. So I will go through each element. So for I in range of n, and if I equals a plus I plus 1, so we have to check the next element. And we have to put an indicator, so we know, so it's a sequence. Oh wait, yeah, that's it. So same, same, go through, and C1. So no, C2. So because we have two elements of the same parity. That's C, 0. Now C. Yeah, so, and I'm gonna check if S equals false. Here it's gonna be false. Yeah. So when are we doing operations is when we go through all the sequence. So for example, here we go through 1, then 7, then 11, so that's 3. So when we go to 2, we're gonna do operations on these three elements. So when if not same, and it have to be a sequence, so it's gotta be more than two elements. So then one operations are gonna be n minus 1, so C minus 1. I have to initiate this, so Okay, guys. Else, there's no else, so I'm gonna try to um uh no, on the outside range operations. Uh, it's gonna be -1. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. I think I missed the third. So this one, this one. I forgot. So here they told us an array of size 1 is trivially good. So that means if if equals 1, then it prints. So but why need to print them? 1 or 0? If it's 1, then it's 1. Okay. But here, which one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't get it though. Yeah. Then it brings -1, I think. Because of size 1, so if I only have 1 element, no, wait, it's gotta be wrong though, because yeah. I don't know where the 10th number, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. What should I do? I think the case that fails, for example, I have here 1, 1, 2, 2. It should give me 1, but yeah, it gives 0 because in the last element
I count these two, but I don't add them, so I think, and it's gonna be operations plus C again. So, yeah. It's not working anymore, so wait, let me write this up again. I don't know where's the problem though. Yes. Else gonna be plus C minus 1, and I'm gonna reset again. Minus 1. This should work. Why is it not working though? I don't need to turn it. Yeah, I don't know why this test case failed here, but when I submit it, it works. So I don't know, because I tried submitting it. Yeah, it works. Probably just